Hello everyone. Hope you are doing great. Today is 11th of January 2026 and it's Sunday today. And today's article is about Katputli. You must have heard this word, right? Pulling strings in Jaipur's puppet colony. In in this Jaipur corner, nearly 250 families carry forward one Rajasthani's oldest folk art forms Katputli. These artisans sew bright costumes onto small wooden puppets that are used by traveling performers who narrate tales of Rajput kings, warriors, folk heroes, and moral stories. In a maze of narrow lanes in the pink city of Jaipur lies Katputli Nagar, a place where stories are not written but carved, stitched, and brought to life with strings. Inside cramped homes stacked close together, men and women sit on the floor, shaping small wooden faces, painting bold eyes, and sewing vibrant costumes. Nearly 250 families live here. Many of them have been preserving the craft for generations. So you must have heard about कठपुतली जो कि राजस्थान का फोक है. पिंक सिटी जयपुर वहां पे कठपुतली नगर एक प्लेस है तो ये स्टोरी उसके बारे में है. What begins in their modest homes eventually find its way to bustling markets, cultural fairs, and stages across the world. These puppets, known as Katputlis, are one of Rajasthan's oldest folk art forms. The name comes from Kat means wood and Putli means doll, reflecting their simple yet expressive construction. Historically, Katputli performances were used by traveling performers to narrate tales of Rajput kings, brave warriors, folk heroes, and moral stories to village. So basically, Katputlis were used earlier by the traveling performance to narrate tales. Tales means stories. To narrate stories of Rajput kings, brave warriors, folk heroes, and moral stories to village audience. Long before modern forms of entertainment, Katputlis were a powerful medium of communication. So these were used a kind of communication and which was a powerful medium. The design of these Rajasthani puppets mirrors the state's rich culture. Their colorful attire draw inspiration from royal courts and desert traditions, while their sharp features and exaggerated expressions add drama to every movement. Each puppet represents a character from everyday life or folklore, helping preserve the state's social and cultural identity. So you must have seen these Katputlis story tales, and earlier it used to be told and seen by various peoples. Puppet shows remain the soul of this tradition, accompanied by folk music on the dholak and harmonium. Puppeteers bring the Katputlis to life with strings and rhythmic narration. The performance brim with humor, music, and satire, often reflecting social realities alongside legendary tales. From the homes of Katputli Nagar to bigger stages, Katputlis continue to carry Rajasthan's voice across generations. So you must have seen the Katputli's drama and the music and the harmonium thing, and it is actually very famous in Rajasthan. Let me show you some of the pictures. Pictures are also over here in today's newspaper. So let us see that also. So this is one of the picture. Let me show you. These are some Katputlis, and actually, if you can see, this is how it is made. This is a Katputli. You must have seen it, and actually, it is a very exciting to see that their expressions are also very nice. So, these are all about puppets. Thank you for patient listening.